হ্যালো এভরিবডি, নমস্কার, স্বাগত আজকের এপিসোডে 202nd এপিসোড। দেখতে দেখতে এতগুলি এপিসোড হয়ে গেল আপনাদের সাথে আমাদের ইউটিউবে। সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা, মাইসেলফ লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। এবং বুঝতেই পারছেন আজকের এপিসোড ভীষণ সুন্দর সুন্দর প্রিন্টেড তসর, প্রিন্টেড মুগা, এরকম কিছু শাড়ি আজকে দেখাবো। ভেরি কালারফুল, ইট উইল রিয়েলি বুস্ট ইয়োর মুড। খুব সুন্দর লাগবে আশা করি দেখতে, কারণ ভীষণ কালারফুল আর ভীষণ ভাইব্রেন্ট কালার্সের ওপর পিওর তসর আর পিওর মুগার ওপর আজকের এপিসোডটা আমি দেখাবো। ফার্স্ট ওয়ান যেটা আমি বললাম, মুগা তসরের ওপর, খুব সফট মুগা, খুব সফট হয়, পরেও ভীষণ আরাম পাওয়া যায়। ভেরি কমফোর্টেবল থ্রু আউট দ্য ইয়ার, দিস ক্যান বি ওন। ভেরি সফট, ইটস আ very fine tussar muga with zari woven border. This has a very fine border in zari. This is in block print and the body is also in patola printed block print. It seems as if it's woven, but it is a block print in patola design. Throughout the sari, it's a off-white color with border in red and orange. This is the pallu. The pallu part will have ghicha woven. 5,990 rupees. Product number 1, 5990 throughout block printing, and yes, it will have a solid color blouse piece with the zari border and the printed border. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. Very lightweight, very comfortable for those who want lightweight saris. It's ideal for them and it's in pure munga. So this is the sari, 5990, product number 1. Now product number 2, a tissue border woven munga with a very smart looking zigzag block print. So sometimes, you know, you don't want to wear a very something Banarasi or anything very heavy to a party. You have some small gathering occasions where you want to wear something very light, but at the same time you need to stand out, you know, it has to be very pretty. When you click pictures, you have to look prominent. So there these kind of saris are highly needed. 6,500. Product number 2, 6500, totally block printed. This has a fine tissue woven in the muga, the border part with block printing, and the body, as you can see, it's a black and red zigzag, very bold block printing, which looks very smart on draping. I'll drape it for you so that you can understand how it looks on draping. It's a very smart look. I've been printing zigzag chanderis also, very good response. And this is the blouse piece, a red color zari woven border blouse piece for this munga tussar. This is the sari, very smart piece. 6500 for this munga. Product number 2. So I have few colors in this. This is another red and chiku color combination. Red and chiku, very smart look. With any kind of gold jewelry also, this looks very nice. Very traditional color combinations, but the print is very abstract. And here is the blouse piece. Again, the blouse piece will be in solid red with the zari woven border, and here is the sari. See, very soft and very, very comfortable. Product number 2, 6550, ideal for gifting also. Everybody will love this because printed tussar, printed mungas, printed silks are always everyone's favorite. Now another nice color combination of green and navy color combination. All the color combination will be very bright. See this color combination. A zigzag color combination print again in bright green and navy color combination with the same zari woven border, and It's a very muted zari. It's not a shiny one. It's muted, very matte, just a sheen, like a bit of tissue woven in the border part, with the block printing done in patola, and the border, the upper border will also have the tissue weave, narrow tissue weave. The body will be in again zigzag block print with this green blouse piece. What a beautiful color combination. This is the green blouse piece. Here. Here is the full look of the product. Product number 3, zigzag pure Munga tussar. Now coming to product number 5, another color combination, that was chiku and tomato red, same combination, but that was chiku red predominant. This is chiku predominant. Very sober. This is the pallu, 6500. Very comfortable, looks very smart on wearing. This is the blouse piece, deep red color. Any age will be able to wear this. This is the sari. So those who are watching the program, let me tell you, we have 2 branches in Kolkata. One is 2C Cornfield Road near Citizen Park, where we have the menswear collection also, along with all the other varieties of products like the ones that I show you, and also 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, which is near the Baliganj railway station. For booking, you need to only WhatsApp with the screenshot of the product to any one of the 2 numbers provided in the screen, in the scroll that is going in the video. 76030426696, WhatsApp only. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the number. If it's available, I will give you the business account bank details, where proper GST invoice will be provided with each of the product. So this is the blouse piece, a self block printed Munga tussar blouse piece. Sari is also in Munga tussar, zari woven border, traditional print in kalamkari design. This is the pallu. Now after you make the payment, send the screenshot of the payment, successful screenshot of the payment, and your address, name, pin code, telephone number. We will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. This is a red and olive color, 6500, all in pure Munga tussar with woven border, woven pallu. I have some nice colors in this. This is in dark bottle green color. Very interesting print and very pretty color combination. Only in shades of green, deep and light green, bottle green and military green color combination, with kalamkari print again, and again same zari woven border which is there in the sari itself. The pallu part will have a line of zari and then a line of ghicha tussar, then zari and then ghicha tussar. The body itself, full sari, is in Munga, pure Munga. 6500 for all Munga tussars. Now once the payment is done, we will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. If you want to see the still pictures of the product, so video you can always see in the YouTube. For the still pictures, check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is provided. Once the link is, it will be uploaded in the albums, like there is the photo album like printed tussar, printed Munga photo album there is. You can check out the still pictures of the the products, the prices, the details, all clearly mentioned. There's no hide and seek, all the prices will be openly mentioned, except that the few old collection the prices will differ because there is an increase in the GST price. So that I'm not sure about what would be the price after 7% increase in the GST, but we will definitely tell you if the price have increased. But these, whatever you are seeing from 1st of January, these will be the price that is mentioned in the video. This is a dark coffee color with a red color, pinkish red color combination. This is the final price 6500. 6500. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata we will ship via courier only. You can do the booking for international shipping, you can do the payment for the product, and later you can add a few more and then we can ship it together. So because the shipping charges decreases a lot when you buy a little more stock. I mean, for one product it's quite high, for 3-4 products it's almost half the price for shipping, I mean to say. Dark coffee color, chocolate color with pinkish red color border pallu, 6500. Munga tussar with woven pallu, woven border. 9th product, charcoal black color and mustard. What a lovely color combination. All these comes with all over Jal Kalamkari traditional printing. All time favorite, we love tussar prints, and these comes with a lovely self printed blouse piece in mustard. Charcoal black and mustard color combination Munga tussar, 6500. First come first serve basis. You can check out our WhatsApp status also, where regularly repeated collections are uploaded, informations are provided, reviews are uploaded. So kindly check out. For any doubts, please do not hesitate to message me. Pure tussar batik printed, lovely color combination, totally geometric in coral and dark coffee color, crack batik, product number 10 6350, product number 10 6350. Sorry, this is 6650, product number 10, 6650 rupees. Crack batik. The pleats will be in stripe. Lovely sari, and the rest, it's a partly pallu concept. This part will be your first part. So this is how it will look. Coffee is your turnaround part. The pleat will be in batik stripes. The body will be in crack with the border. Very smart looking. The prices are all mentioned. Product number 10, 6650 rupees. And it will have a coffee color blouse piece with, of course, the batik border. Pure tussar, this is the pallu. Number 11, again pure tussar, 6650. It's a beautiful abstract printed, it's a very interesting print with tie and dye in the border with Alpona block in between the two colors in the border. It's a very uncommon print with reverse motif which is left out and the rest is in stripes. Very smart looking. 6650 rupees. Pure tussar, block printed, tie and dye border with fudge color blouse piece with the border. Beautiful block print in black, red and brown color combination, 6,650 rupees. Pallu. Number 12, another very smart panel concept block printing. This is the pallu in kalamkari. Olive grey black color combination, and here comes the body in again shading. Now see, our printing is not the regular printing. These are done with a lot of different styling, different concept. Now see, first of all, this is tie and dyed, and then this is a like an effect, a stone effect block printing. These block itself is very exclusive. Now here comes another kalamkari block here. Here is another line of border. So see, there is a lot of effort and time given for this one particular sari, which is why the printing charges we give to the karigars are slightly higher than the regular prints that we do. 6,650 rupees for this too. Panel design, tie and dye, and see the color combinations also. We will not take any orders of these. First come first serve basis only. Once sold, it will not be repeated. This is the blouse piece for this. It is green in color, self stripe, and this is the sari. What a lovely rich block print this is. It look really smart on wearing. Now this is another very interesting concept. Pure tussar, block printing. This is a very uncommon, very fine cut Sanganari printed pallu. The body is in shades of mustard. Can you see the difference in color? The upper part is in mustard and the lower part is in brownish color. So there is a shading with a self block print. This has a self block print just to give it a texture since it's in solid color. The border and the lower border will be in Sanganari printed paisley border, and the most interesting part is the beautiful blouse piece which comes in hand painted kalamkari blouse piece with this. It's a beautiful concept sari, and this blouse will help you wear it with so many of your outfits, so many of your saris. Lovely concept with this. Again, let me show you the blouse piece of the product. That is 13A. Now 13B, it's almost similar. Little 6. This price is 7850. Slightly difference is in the blouse piece. 13B, 13A. Now this is 13B. Why this very little difference only in the blouse piece? Because I have only one pieces. This was just an experiment which I had done with the karigar. So this is, that had firoza color in the blouse. This has more of a reddish color in the blouse. Both are same design, same concept, only little difference in the blouse piece. 7,850 rupees, I suppose the price is. 7850 with hand painted, original hand painted kalamkari blouse piece with this. Original hand painting. Number 14, hand painting, free hand painting in pure tussar. Now see the color combination in pista. Lovely free hand painting. This is actually very elegant. Now the price, of course, tussar price is very steep now, and on top of that, this is just abstract freehand painting. 7990. See the beautiful shade, very light pista with darker olive color and green shade painting in the pallu, in the pleats. Here comes the pleat part. Lovely. And the blouse piece of course will be in a darker shade of green. So can you imagine how beautiful this will look on wearing? Such a subtle tone, no dark bright colors, very sober, but at the same time it's a beautiful concept. I have two in this, that was in a pista tone. I have another hand painting in a lime color. Mainly the color combination. We have seen many hand paintings in tussar of course, but see the colors that my karigar has used. This will be the yoke part. Not that he's done too much of it. It's just in portions, just in the yoke part, the lower part where you will just hold it, the pallu part. 7990. Yes, the pleat part. So instead of doing all over jabra painting, this is done very elegantly. This is the pleat part. So just where it's necessary, he's highlighted the florals with a beautiful lime green blouse piece. Lovely. These look really pretty on wearing. Very flowy, very pretty. Now another, what a beautiful zari border, pure tussar and a lovely color combination with a gorgeous border woven zari border, pallu and daman. It seems as if these are just blooming, the flowers, they seem so real. Number 16, black and mustard. Again the upper part, no printing, only the lower part to keep the elegance in mind. This is the blouse piece in mustard. Now see, why not both sides? Why only one side? Gorgeous sari in a beautiful color combination. The price of this is 6990, 6,990 rupees. Now coming to number 17, all time favorite, are always have got very good response in this. Dark copper coffee color, zari woven border with digital, this is not digital, sorry, this is discharge print, sorry, just not come, discharge printing border and pallu. The woven border is already there. 7,500, 7500 copper zari, and the color, see the richness of the color, and it will have a beautiful printed blouse piece which you must make it with sleeves. It has a copper zari stripe also. If it's not clear, I'm just telling you, it has a self woven copper zari stripe in the blouse with the printing done, discharge printing, and here comes the elegance of this gorgeous traditional coffee color sari. Beautiful sari. Now I'll show you the colors available in this. 7,500 for a blue green. This is a turquoise blue, deep turquoise blue color. You can say a peacock blue. So this is another color combination. With this blouse piece. $7,500 for all these pure tussar zari wo border printing. I have a red, 7,500 red color. You just need nothing, just wear a gold chain, just some simple jewelry, even in silver it look very nice, and just you'll stand out, literally you will stand out because of the gorgeous bold printing done on it. It's very prominent and the quality of the tussar is excellent. The width is super broad and this is the blouse piece. Of course, who can not do a black in this? So, black too you have. So, please kindly give me options for those who are booking. In any one of the number, take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp only to any one of the number once it's available. If it's available, I'll give you the business account bank details. It's a current account, bank account that I will be giving you. So if you make the transfer, send the screenshot of your payment and your name, address, telephone number. PIN code is necessary very much. Highly the full PIN code. Please don't give incorrect PIN codes. PIN code is very important. And we'll courier it to you. 7,500. By now you must be knowing, and please do visit the store for more options. We have many more collection which is not always possible to show in the episodes. Kindly do visit the store. Both the branches we are open, Sundays closed, Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night we are open. We check out, as I said, the WhatsApp statuses. So you can get more options. 7,500 for this. See what a beautiful print in polka dot and bordered, very traditional block printing done with polka dot and border block. Deep blue color, deep turquoise, and it has a contrast zari woven border, midnight blue blouse piece. If you subscribe to the channel, there's a bell icon, just press all notifications there. If you do that, you will get all the notifications of the videos that I will be uploading. You can check out the Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, where preview is also given. The WhatsApp status also, where the next episode when and what time will be uploaded. You can do check out those things also. Regular stock is coming in the store also. The wedding collection, tussars, Banarasis, weavings, dupion, embroideries, and many more. Costume jewelries like what I am wearing and I show in the videos also. All available. You can check out the album Facebook page, album jewelry and clutch bag album. All these 7,500. Very deep magenta with a slate color combination. Very smart printing. Pallu. Product 22. Now, as I said, printed tussar looks very smart on wearing. Really very smart on wearing. And the traditional look is always there. This is the blouse piece. Another very interesting color, gray. It has a touch of greenish gray with mehendi green combination border. It's a beautiful combination, very uncommon color combination. And always grey looks very rich, and with this touch of red in the pallu, again it's looking very nice. 7500. A lovely shade of blouse piece color also in again mehendi green. Very interesting. अगर आपको पसंद आए हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स, आप काइंडली मैसेज कीजिए, कमेंट में मैसेज कीजिए। आपको जो कुछ भी और देखना है, आपको क्या क्या क्वेरीज है, कुछ भी इंक्वायरी है पूछिए, आप कमेंट में भी डाल सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं। हम लोग थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, फिर भी आपको रिप्लाई ज़रूर मिल जाएगा। और ये सारा जो हम दिखा रहे हैं, ये सारा पूरा हैंड ब्लॉक में है, तो जो आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं आपको व्हाट्सएप करके बुकिंग करना पड़ेगा। पेमेंट के बाद हम लोग कोरियर कर देंगे। अगर ब्लाउज स्टिच करना हो तो पेमेंट के बाद हम लोग टेलरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में हम लोग कॉल ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे। आप लोग वहाँ पे बात करके डिटेल्स ऑफ द मेजरमेंट्स देकर आप लोग वहाँ पे फॉलो अप कर सकते हैं। ये पूरा मूंगा टसर में है, टोटली अ प्योर जरी वोवन बॉर्डर मूंगा टसर with beautiful figure block printing border along with a floral kalamkari jal printing in the body. So this color is a light mint green color with peach all over printing done, and see the pallu part, what a gorgeous beautiful pallu. 7900, 7900 for this Munga Tassar Zari border, Zari Banarasi woven. This is Munga Banarasi actually. Narrow border Munga Banarasi which we woven particularly for this printing design. And the blouse piece will also have the Zari woven Munga. It's a mint green color and super soft, super comfortable, and a very interesting block print with kalamkari and figure. It's a deer design printing, and I'll show you some lovely colors. The one that I'm wearing is in lemon color. Pallu, zari woven border, pure Munga Banarasi with blouse piece. $7900, same price. The pair of bangles that I am wearing is $1750 for the pair of bangles. The ring is $1900. It's a statement ring, a very smart ring which goes with a western. Anything, even if you're not wearing any jewelry, you just wear this the ring, it will look very smart. It's adjustable. 1900. And the choker, peacock choker along with this matching earring, 2300 set. This choker, peacock choker with tassels and the matching earring coming to 2300 rupees set. 2300, 2300 set. And the sari, as I said, is priced rupees 7900. Another color, it's a light ash color. So all the colors are very pretty, and let me tell you, super comfortable. As I said, these are all pure Munga Banarasi with kalamkari digital block printing with, see, lovely deer. It's a beautiful print, very interesting print. very uncommon. And here is the blouse piece for this. This is the pallu. 7900, all same price for this Munga Kalamkari digital. See the pallu. The last color is in peach. Beautiful shade, beautiful color combination. This is the blouse piece, peach color. So, pista, grey, lemon, peach, nice colors. All the colors are very nice, and this print is so subtle, but at the same time very, very prominent printing, but subtle colors. 7900 for this peach color. And lastly, my dear doll, how can I forget you? A Kalamkari paint. This is a acid printing Kalamkari design with pallu in brushing concept, zari border, zari woven border. See, these are all Kalamkari printing. Very pretty natural tussar color with lovely shade of magenta and grey color. The price is 7500. Same price as for all the zari tussar, 7500. It's a lovely Kalamkari printed tussar. See, it's a beautiful piece, and it will have, of course, a magenta blouse piece. 7500. Can you see the whole sari? Is it clear? Beautiful piece. So that's it for today in printed tussar. Thank you for watching.